Luxury motorhomes are like homes on wheels, offering amazing comfort, stylish designs, and high-end features. These vehicles are perfect for people who love to travel without leaving behind the comforts of home. Let's explore 15 of the most luxurious and impressive motorhomes and mobile living solutions available in the world today. Number 1. Vario Signature 1200, a mansion on wheels. The Vario Signature 1200 is one of the most luxurious motorhomes ever made. Built on the strong and reliable Mercedes-Benz Actros truck chassis, this vehicle is massive. It is 12 meters, around 39 feet, long and weighs 26 tons. Inside, the Vario Signature 1200 feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. It can comfortably fit up to 6 people. There is a fully equipped kitchen with a refrigerator, stove, oven, and even a dishwasher. The living room is stylish and spacious, perfect for relaxing. The bathroom includes a full-size shower, toilet, and sink. The bedroom has a queen-size bed and a wardrobe for storing clothes. One of its most unique features is a built-in garage that can hold a sports car, such as a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. The price? It starts at $922,000, which reflects its extreme comfort and features. Number 2. CMC Allunant, Italian luxury on the road. The CMC Allunant is a high-end motorhome made by the Italian company CMC Caravan, known for elegant design and quality materials. This RV is great for people who want a comfortable, mobile lifestyle. This motorhome comes in different layouts, but all of them have a slide-out section that adds more space when parked. Inside, you'll find a kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, a bedroom with a queen-size bed, and a bathroom with a separate shower and toilet. With a starting price of around $300,000, the Allunant is ideal for long-distance trips or spending relaxing time at scenic campsites. Number 3. Truck Surf Hotel, a moving beach resort. The Truck Surf Hotel is not your typical motorhome. It was designed especially for surfers who love to follow the waves along the coast. Built on a Mercedes Actros truck, it looks like a 2-story mini hotel on wheels. When fully expanded, the height of this truck reaches 6.5 meters, and it includes 5 rooms, 4 double rooms, and 1 single room. It can host up to 10 people. There is a kitchen, bathroom, living space, and even a rooftop terrace where guests can relax and enjoy the view. It also includes air conditioning, heating, and Wi-Fi. While it's not for sale to the public, people can book a stay and experience its luxury firsthand. Number 4. Maxus V 90 Villa Edition. A 2-story villa on wheels, the Maxus V 90 Villa Edition is one of the most creative motorhomes on the market. Designed by SAC Motor in China, this RV can transform from a 1-story vehicle into a 2-story mobile villa when parked. When expanded, the main floor offers 215 square feet of living space, including a living room, kitchen, bathroom, and luxury bar. An elevator leads to the second floor, which adds another 133 square feet. This upper area can be used as a reading room, sunlight room, or office. There are LED lights, a premium sound system, an external cooking area, a washing machine, and air conditioning. This innovative RV is available in China for about $413,000. Number 5. Grande S1 Expandable Tiny Home, compact yet spacious. The Grande S1 is a small home that expands from 140 square feet to 364 square feet in just 15 minutes. It's perfect for people who want a mobile house that can be towed by a large pickup truck like the Ford F-250. Made from strong steel and insulated with polyurethane, it is both safe and reliable. It comes fully furnished with a kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and living space. It also supports off-grid living with solar panels from Renogy. The price for the Grande S1 is around $85,000, making it a great option for people who want a mix of flexibility, comfort, and sustainability. Number 6. Timbercraft Big Sky, a luxurious tiny cabin. Inspired by the look of mountain homes in Montana, the Timbercraft Big Sky tiny house offers a cozy and stylish living space. It's 399 square feet with a shed-style roof, wooden siding, and large black-trimmed windows. Inside, the walls are covered in shiplap, the ceilings are wood-paneled, and the floors are hardwood. The home includes a full galley kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, a large living area with a fireplace, and 2 bedrooms. The starting price is around $50,000, making it an affordable yet luxurious option for people who want a house on wheels. Number 7. STX Volvo Horse Truck, a mansion for you and your horses. The STX Volvo FH540 is more than just a motorhome. It's also designed to safely transport horses. Built on a Volvo FH truck chassis, it can carry 4 to 9 horses depending on the layout. Inside, the living area feels like a luxury apartment with a kitchen, bathroom, dining space, air conditioning, and satellite TV. The horse area is just as advanced, with rubber flooring, skylights, cooling fans, cameras, and temperature control systems. It's a great option for horse owners who want to travel in style and ensure their animals are well cared for. Number 8. Earth Roamer SX, off-road luxury. The Earth Roamer SX is built for those who want to explore rough terrain without giving up comfort. Based on a Chevrolet Silverado 6500 HD chassis, it's powered by a 6.6-liter Duramax diesel engine with 445 horsepower. The SX includes a large living area, kitchen, bathroom, and 2 bedrooms. The kitchen has a stove, sink, and fridge, while the master bedroom has a queen-size bed. The second room has bunk beds. This powerful and luxurious off-road RV is priced at $1,045,000 and is perfect for adventure lovers who want to travel far off the beaten path. Number 9. Cortez 17, lightweight yet comfortable. The Cortez 17 is a compact, single-axle travel trailer made by Cortez Campers. It's lightweight thanks to a strong fiberglass and resin frame and weighs just 2,680 pounds. This trailer can sleep 2 people with a rear double bed and a convertible dinette. The kitchen includes a sink, stove, and fridge. The bathroom, though small, still has a toilet and shower. With a price of $45,995, it's a great option for couples or solo travelers looking for a stylish, lightweight camper. Number 10. Severn Lamb Double-Deck Trolley, old school charm, modern features. This luxurious double-deck trolley looks like something out of a classic movie, with beautiful wood and brass details. However, it's equipped with modern electrical technology, LED lighting, and durable materials. It can carry between 50 to 70 passengers and has a top speed of 16 kilometers per hour. It's mostly used in cities, shopping centers, and tourist areas. It's not a motorhome in the traditional sense, but it offers a unique mobile luxury experience. Number 11. Mars 15, Premium Hybrid Caravan, made for families. The Mars 15 Premium is a hybrid camper made for families who love outdoor adventures. It combines the comfort of a caravan with the toughness of a camper trailer. Inside, it has a dining area, kitchen, queen-size bed, and bathroom. It includes modern systems like a 400-watt solar panel, battery management, inverter, hot water system, and even a reverse camera. Starting at $49,000, it's ideal for families that enjoy road trips and camping. Number 12. Houseboat Classic 180, a floating home. If you prefer the water over the road, the Houseboat Classic 180 is perfect. It offers 450 square meters of living space and can be used year-round. It includes 2 engines, giving it a cruising speed of 10 kilometers per hour and a top speed of 16 kilometers per hour. Inside there is a stylish kitchen, a large living room with glass walls, spacious bedrooms, and a terrace for outdoor relaxation. The houseboat costs around $643,500 and combines luxury with waterfront living. Number 13. Tragano Sequoia, the future of tent trailers. The Tragano Sequoia is a large, high-tech tent trailer that can sleep up to 10 people. It has 2 double beds, 2 smaller under-tents, and an annex tent. Its 29 square meter living area is supported by a modern ventilation system and a fast-deploying air awning. You can set up the main tent in just 5 minutes. This easy-to-use trailer starts at around 12,000 euros and is perfect for large families or groups. Number 14. Moen Micro House, small size, big tech. The Moen Micro House is a tiny home packed with technology. It includes a kitchen, bathroom, living area, and sleeping loft, all in a small footprint. It comes with solar panels, backup batteries, and can be moved easily. Starting at $60,000, it's great for people who want a modern, green, and low-maintenance home. Number 15. New Camp Series 820. A camper for your pickup, the 2022. New Camp Series 820 is a truck camper that fits on most mid and full-size pickup trucks. It weighs 5,200 pounds and includes a stove, microwave, sink, fridge, and wet bath. The dinette converts into a bed, and it has solar panels to help keep batteries charged. With a starting price of $39,500, it's a good option for pickup owners looking to turn their vehicle into a travel-ready home. These 15 luxury motorhomes prove that travel can be both stylish and comfortable. From high-end RVs to smart, tiny homes, there's something for every traveler. Like, comment your favorite, and subscribe for more.